This is the Arrowhead Brass PK2010LK or loose key type stem for the 420 series faucet. So it is the PK2010, so it will be for a 10-inch wall thickness faucet. Now the package will also come with like a short list of instructions here, as well as the complete stem assembly. Now we'll take a couple measurements. Now keep in mind, when measuring these stems, you always want to make sure this springless check assembly is pressed into the body of the stem. Lay that out here. So you can see the measurement, it comes right out to 14 inches. We'll measure here as well. Let's see, it measures right at the tip of this like loose key. It measures right above 1.5 inches. So once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK2010LK stem assembly.